Hi everybody. Today we're going to be learning how to do long division. We're going to be doing 6 problems in this video. So let's start. First problem is 5. So you have to put like this. Take a line like that and write the number you're dividing with. Like we're dividing with 534. You guys can follow along with us writing this notebook. Just give me a minute. I accidentally did too much. Let me just do it one more time. Just a little space more. 5 divided by, 534. 534. Sorry, accidentally did too much. So 5 times. So here, if you know your tables, it will be much easier. So I'll be doing it with my tables. Here you can see that 5 times, there's a number which you can multiply 5 by to make it 5, and I think it is 1. So you can write 5 times 1 equals to 5 down there, and then you're gonna subtract. You're gonna subtract, which makes it 0. But then we're not going to worry about this subtracting. We're only going to subtract these two. Then we will have to bring down this with the arrow and make it a 3. Now, in 5 table, does 3 come? No, right? Does 3 come? No, right? So we make that a 0 because 5 times 0, equals to 0. And then you subtract 3 minus 0, which everybody knows is 3. Which then at the end you see the 4. You take it completely down, and then it becomes 34. Don't worry, we're not done yet. We have one more thing to do. We have to see in 5 table the closest number to 34. Like 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20, 5 times 5, 25, 5 times 6, 30. Because after that, if you do one more, 5 times 7, it'll be 35, and it's over 34. So 5 times 6. So you're going to write 5 times 6 equals to 30, and which will subtract will equal to 0, 6. And so, you know that usually, sorry, it's not 0, 6. Why do I keep messing up? Sorry. Give me a minute. Let me erase that part. The 0 part there. Right there. Okay. Let's keep going. So that becomes a 4. 4. And now 5 table 4 does not come. So the answer should be 106 R4. So in here, the very bottom part is always called a remainder. So instead of writing remainder 4, we just write R. This is the quotient. The quotient is the answer you get. This is a divisor, the thing you divide with. This is a dividend, the number you get divided by. So the answer for this problem is 106 R4. Let's keep going. Okay, guys. So you can see that the answer was 106 R4. Let's go with the next problem. The next problem is 4. So we can divide the divisor is 4 and the dividend is 786. 786. So let's start. 4 times 1 is 4. Now you subtract, which then becomes 3. And then you take down the 8. Now 4 times 1, 4. 4 into 5 is 20. 4 into 6 is 24. 4 into 7, 28. 4 into 8, 32. 4 into 9, 36. So 4 into 9 is the best idea to do. 36. Subtract, which then becomes 0, and 2 is that if you take down the 6. Let's see, 4 times 5, 20, 4 into 6, 24. So 4 times 6, 24. Subtract, it becomes 0, 2. So our answer is 196. 196 are 2. So we're done with our first one. 1 second. Okay, let's keep going. So we found the answer for this problem. Let's go to the next slide. So now problem 3. 3 is our divisor, and our dividend is 235. So 3 times 2 does not come in the 3 table, so 3 times 0 equals to 0, which then makes this a 2. And so then we make down the 3 to make that a 23. Now in 3 table, 3 to 5, 15, 3 to 6, 18, 3 to 7, 21. 3 times 7, 21. So 0, 2. And then you take down the 5. Here, now remember, I did not do 3 times 8 because that would be 24, and 24 is bigger than 23. So I did 21. And here, 24 is a very good idea because 25 is bigger than 24. So 3 times 8 equals 24, and then 0, 1. So our quotient is 78. And our remainder is R1. And always remember in this whole times, always remember that sometimes division problems don't have to have a remainder. They can have a clear answer. So let's keep going. Our fourth problem is going to be a 6. Sorry. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm correct. I'm saved. I was about to be smacked. 738. So we have to write this problem down. Now 6 times 1 is 6. And if you subtract it, you get 1. Take down the 3. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12, which then becomes 0, 1. Now you take down the 8. 6 times 3 is 18. There we go. A problem it has no remainders. So here our answer is 123. There's no remainder. This is what I wanted to show you, that some problems, not all problems, have to have a remainder. It's depending on what you multiply by. Okay? Let's keep going. Problem number 5. 8 divided by 735. 735. 8 times 0, 0, to make that a 7, which then you take down the 3, and then 7 times 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 9, 72. 8 times 9, 72. Subtract, becomes 0, 1. And then you take down the 5. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. So 8 times 1, 8. And then if you can, 8, 8, 15 minus 8 is 7. And so our remainder is, the answer is 91 or 7. Okay, now number 5. And now we're going to do number 5 is just over. Last problem, the 6th one. Here we're going to do 6. You're going to have to that's our divisor. And then divisor, this is dividend. Divisor, dividend. 6 times 0 is 0, which then if you subtract makes it 5. To make that, take down 8. 6 times 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 5, 30. 6 into 6, 36. 6 into 7, 42. 6 into 8, 58. 6 times 8. Oh, give me a minute. Sorry, not 4. Sorry. I got a little mistake down there. Just give me a second. I accidentally did that. Okay. That really is supposed to be uh so 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54, which then if you subtract ends up with 0, 4, and 6 times nothing can make 0, 4. So our answer will be 89 remainder 4. Thank you everybody. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and enjoy. Make sure you always visit exploringlearning.com for my reading videos. Thank you. Bye.